In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OTP not received in Gmail. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is opening up Gmail, so I've got my browser ready and I'm logging into my account. Once I'm in, I'm looking at the very top of the page where the search bar is. This is where Gmail lets you search through all your emails really quickly. Now in the search bar, I'm going to type in OTP and then hit enter. This will pull up any emails that contain OTPs, which is usually what you're looking for if you haven't received a one-time password yet. You'll notice that Gmail instantly brings up all emails with OTP in the subject line or the body of the message. At this point, it's important to check all the folders because sometimes these emails don't land in your main inbox. They might be in promotions, spam, or even social, depending on how Gmail categorized them. So I'm scrolling through my tabs here, and if you don't see it in the main inbox, make sure to check those other folders as well. Also, sometimes the email might have been archived instead of deleted, so if you still can't find it, click on the All Mail folder. This shows every email in your account, so nothing is hidden. Once you're in All Mail, you can repeat the same search for OTP, and you'll be able to see if it was accidentally moved out of your inbox. So just to recap, the steps are really simple. Go to Gmail, click on the search bar, type OTP, and hit enter. Then make sure to look through other folders like spam, promotions, or social, and check All Mail if needed. This way you can be confident that the OTP hasn't just been misplaced. And that's basically it. Once you know how to search like this and check all the folders, finding an OTP becomes really quick and easy. You can do it anytime without worrying about missing important verification emails.